32 points.
14.
One 32. Ten second shot clock. Pace of 119, steal number 9.
Opo.
Steal.
Opo ma'am, kaya po.
Last quarter na po.
Last na po ito, last.
Foul basket. Foul number 31.
31. First foul pa lang.
First personal foul number 31.
Hindi yata sila. Bilog talaga ang bola.
Rebound 23. Lock.
Lock.
Same ball shot clock 16.
Karbasi.
Carbas.
Ten second shot clock. Out of bounds.
Over. Dondi. Naharang. Dalawa ba naman yung malalaki?
Pace of rebound 33. Traveling violation. Traveling. Ten second shot clock. Rebound 33.
Tres.
Rebound 31. Rebound number 6.
Laki.
Foul.
Chi.
23.
Tatlo.
Third personal foul number 23. Third foul.
Hindi kaya.
Pasok na lang siya ulit. Kanino, sir? Basi.
Basi.
Wait lang, boss, ah.
Dead ball, sir.
Rebound 23.
Siguro po, sir.
Sir. Sir, usog lang, sir, konti.
Steal 32. Ten second shot clock.
Sayang.
Rebound 23.
Yan. Sag na, sir.
Foul number 6.
First foul.
Substitution.
Sino sabi, sir?
Sir, kulang sir muna sir.
Airball. Fake ball.
Sub.
Substitution. Session out of white.
14.
Steal. Down basket. Foul number 5.
Number 5. First foul.
First personal foul.
Wait,
Plus, sir. Sir, mamaya sir.
Okay, tira.
Number 24.
Si Donde.
Ten second shot clock. 5 second shot clock.
Ano yun?
Shot clock violation. Substitution.
Number 13. Wala pa. Ano yan? Gigas? Wala pa eh. Hindi, just yung si sir. Wala.
Foul. Number 32.
Tagtito. Dalawa na. Sa
Second foul. Number 32.
Ha? Tatagal pa.
Nice spot!
Sir, ano 10 points lang matumal ah.
Ten second shot clock. Still. 2 points. 93.
Nice spot! Sige lang, nice D! Baba!
Defense.
10 second shot clock. 5 second shot clock.
Sab.
Shot clock violation. Shot clock violation.
Wala, board. Shot lock. Shot lock violation.
Shot clock violation. Substitution.
Challenge.
Review.
Number 6.
Ano yun? Kapan?
Black yun black.
Shot clock 18 seconds.
Diba? Boom!
Rebound 42.
D!
10-second shot clock.
Screen.
5-second shot clock.
Nice defense, nice defense.
Pushing foul. Number 32.
Tatlo na, Pres.
Third personal foul. Third foul.
Pushing foul. Wala rin.
Out of bounds.
Wala.
Tagay pa sa pali, 27.
Namang naman sila eh.
Rebound 32.
Foul?
Foul!
Foul number 23.
Apat.
Fourth personal foul. Warning for foul down. Number 23.
Yung score na yun.
Tayo.
10-second shot clock. Out of bounds.
Turnover.
Ay, buwan naman tira nila.
Ayaw nga eh. Ngayon talagang malas talaga. Sir Ruel nga, 10 points lang oh.
10-second shot clock. Defensive rebound. Great.
Meron talagang mga pagkakataon. Hindi lagi kay
10-second shot clock. 5-second shot clock. 34 defense.
Airball.
Steal yun.
Spin number 8.
Wala si Sir Nelson ah.
10-second shot clock.
No? Sila ang laro. Ay, hindi. Wala pala.
5-second shot clock.
Nelson.
Good!
Rebound 23.
Napakaganda.
31 points.
Nice hit.
Ganyan. Na, 7:30.
Ten second shot clock. 5-second shot clock.
Bang!
Last 2 minutes.
Nice hit.
Foul number 24.
First foul.
First foul, warning for penalty.
Press warning.
Pasok, pasok. One more.
No basket. Entering too soon.
Kahit sino.
Dapat ginagawa.
Lock. Number 9.
Basket.
Rebound 42.
Alat.
Foul number 9.
9.
Penalty. Both teams penalty.
First foul.
First foul number 9.
Rebound.
Rebound number 9.
Yes. Bang.
Defensive rebound 27. Rebound 42.
Basic rebound.
Steal. 31 2 points.
31.
1 minute to play. Foul. Number 9 penalty.
Second foul.
Second foul. Number 9 second foul.
Penalty.
Defensive rebound 23. Rebound 42. 14 seconds. 8 2 points. 35 seconds.
Defensive rebound.
23 2 points.
23.
20. 15.
Kaya, wala na.
10 seconds.